Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get free OnlyFans subscription without paying. But before we start, hurry up and check out our latest offer just under this video. So let's get started. In this case, you might be wondering, where do you actually get free subscriptions in OnlyFans? Well, finding free subscription is kind of tricky, but kind of easy as well. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to open up our browser and we need to go to OnlyFans and log in into our account. Now in this case, what you need to do here is you just need to basically browse for accounts that you want to subscribe to. So for example, at the right side here, there are going to be some suggestions that you could basically get. So for example, we have this user here as well as this user here. So for example, let's go and open up the profile for this user here. And as you can see, their profile here is actually free. So you can subscribe to their account for free without actually paying for anything. So they actually release content that is for free for OnlyFans. But again, there are going to be some restrictions, so you won't be able to access all of their content. So if you want to access all their content, then most likely you need to pay for it. But yeah, if you just want to view a glimpse of their profile, well, usually users would have a free version or free account on OnlyFans here. Now in this case, you should see the option here that says subscribe. So if it actually says free, you can just basically click on it and you'll be able to subscribe to their account. So usually they would have the free at the top left here. So that's how you find subscriptions that are free on OnlyFans. So that's the first method of actually finding free subscriptions in OnlyFans. Now, another method that you could actually try here is basically try using X, or previously known as Twitter. So there are going to be a lot of creators who are in OnlyFans that currently uses X as a means of promoting their content. So usually you just need to search for X here, just type in OnlyFans, or if you know their current handle, or if you know their name, you can just basically type at the top right here or search for that creator, and usually they would have links on their profile and they would give you two options. So they would have the free version and a premium version of their account. Now in this case, you could try their free version or the free subscription that they have. But yeah, so those are the different ways on actually finding free subscriptions in OnlyFans via the suggestion method at the right side here, or via X or Twitter, which is a cool way for you to find different creators or different content creators that are supporting or that is using OnlyFans. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.